Here are 10 signs you might be under the control of a narcissistic sociopath. 1. Intense charm followed by coldness. They may initially shower you with affection and attention, then abruptly become distant or even cruel. This creates a confusing cycle that keeps you hooked. 2. Isolation from loved ones. A narcissistic sociopath may subtly criticize or belittle your friends and family, driving a wedge between you and your support system. 3. Gaslighting and manipulation. They twist reality and make you question your own perceptions. You may find yourself apologizing for things you didn't do or doubting your own judgment. 4. Pathological lying and broken promises. They have little regard for the truth and will readily make promises they have no intention of keeping. 5. Exploiting you for personal gain. They may use you financially, take advantage of your kindness, or manipulate you for their own benefit. 6. Rage and aggression. Underneath the charming facade can lie a volatile temper. Outbursts of anger or rage can keep you on edge and afraid. 7. Lack of remorse or empathy. They show no remorse for the actions they commit and struggle to understand or care about how you feel. 8. Sense of grandiosity and entitlement. They believe they are superior to others and deserve special treatment. 9. No accountability. They deflect blame and responsibility, always finding a way to make things your fault. 10. Jealousy and possessiveness. They may become excessively jealous of your time or your attention, controlling whom you see and what you do. If you recognize several of these signs, it's crucial to seek help from a qualified therapist or mental health professional. Remember, you are not alone, and there are resources available to help you break free from this kind of control. Well, see you next time on Let's Talk. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe.